YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Wavy Mike, and we're back for another video. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about a secret shine method. You've probably never tried this. Before we get this video started, everybody go hit that like button. Let's get as many likes as possible. Also go subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. Because for some reason, it seems like my subscribers aren't getting my notifications. It's only a small percentage of y'all that's like seeing the videos on time. Also, if I look tired, that's because I am tired. I'm tired. But yeah, let's get this video started. Alright, so what you're gonna need for this method right here is some pomade. You're gonna need some heat. And you're gonna need your hair. My favorite type of pomade to use for this method is Murray's pomade. I know all y'all like natural product people out there are probably like, man, I don't want to use no Murray's. Then don't. I'm pretty sure you can try this with natural pomades too. If you don't use pomades, you're pretty much just short. Because what this actually does, well, no, let me explain that in a second. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna get the pomade and you're gonna get some heat. And what you're gonna do is apply the heat to the pomade. What that's gonna do is temporarily turn the pomade into a liquid. So while it's still a liquid, go ahead and rub that in your hair. And the heat can only keep the pomade a liquid for so long because it's not naturally a pomade, you know what I mean? It's not naturally a liquid. So if you go ahead and put that in your hair while it's still a liquid, it's gonna turn back into a solid while it's in your hair. So it's still gonna have that same hold to it. Let me go ahead and show you what I do right now. Here's the pomade right here. Here's a torch. You probably don't need this. You could probably use like a blow dryer or something like that, hair dryer. But yeah, you take this and you put this on the pomade of your choice. See that? You see it's liquid now, but it'll only stay liquid for so long. It's gonna turn back into the pomade. It's gonna turn back into the solid. See, it's already solid again. It took like 30 seconds to turn back into a solid. You gotta act quick when you do this. You'll see the shine results instantly. You ever did that, you ever had your hair wet or had, like water or something in it? And then you put pomade in your hair and it's like super slick. That's basically this method, but this is like 50 times better because you don't have the water in your hair, so your hair's not over curling. All it's gonna do is just hold your hair down. And it's even better because since it's a liquid, it'll spread around a lot easier than when it's a solid. Because when you rub it on your hand, it's like it's almost becoming a liquid, you know what I mean? Like if you were just scoop something up and just rub it in your hair, it's not going to really go anywhere. It's just going to stay in that one straight piece. But then you rub it around, it goes all over. But if you do this, then rub it around, it's definitely going to go all over because it's a liquid. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you understood what I was trying to say. Go ahead and smash that like button and comment down below. Have you ever heard of this method or have you ever done this method? And if you haven't, go ahead and comment if you're going to try it, maybe with a blow dryer or a lighter, something. Also go ahead and comment some other video ideas you want me to do. I'm still gonna say that, even though every time I say that nobody ever even, listens and nobody even comments it. I'm still gonna say it anyway. But yeah, I'm Wavy Mike. Enjoy your day. Bro, if you didn't leave a like on the video, you and me have a problem. Go like the video. Calm down, calm down. Okay. Just go like the video. I spent all this time recording this video. You spent 1 second liking the video. I'm Wavy Mike. Enjoy your day.